Alright, we are in the Bukit Timah Nature Preserve. We've been hiking through the forest for just about 15 minutes and stumbled upon this.
They used to mine rocks here. They used to blow it up and get big giant sheets of granite.
And there are monkeys galore in the tree right above us. Not likely to make any out with, oh wait.
So then the two up there. The two right up there climbing on the trees. Yeah.
Anyways.
Oh man, this is wonderful.
So yeah, we got monkeys.
Now it just starts.
Hey guys, say hello.
Hello. I don't want Daddy's blackberry falling in.
Whoa.
Oh.
We just had a monkey leap.
There's a monkey.
That was a big jump. Oh my goodness.
Cool. That monkey. The monkey's not doing that. Oh, look at him. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
I think another one's about to jump.
Hello. Oh, look, look. Hey.
I feel like, what's her name? Gorillas in the Mist.
Names it all.
This is like one of those, you know what this reminds me of?
A quarry. Can you feel the love tonight?
Alrighty, signing off for now.